Ba in one queue hang ni harinsan, but ringkat lang bati yin yo ya national president sa Conrad K Sama knang ba isa Nonglait in yo manuan bansoy ya kyrtong kejong i hakini di kot kisla kita tangkap ban in long it kot ipa pura jong ka NPP family. Bapak Bro tahun ini yo everything happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me. Welcome.
The first to felicitate is the National President, National People's Party, Sir Conrad K Sama, who is also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The State President, National People's Party, Shri Prasoon Tirsa. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Working President, Sir James K. Samba.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We also have with us Congress Mary Khapuri, who is the President for National People's Women Front. She is also the MDC. She will be felicitating Sir Nonglait as well.
Our respected office bearers of the National People's Party, of the National Committee, as well as of the State Committee, and all members of the National People's Party from different frontal organizations who have come here to be part of this general body meeting. I welcome each and every one of you to this very, very important meeting. Second, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. Yeah. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again welcome Dr. Nonglait to the NPP family. Friends, at this point in time, we have a very, very important decision to make. And as has been proposed by the State Committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi J&K region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf of the party to propose the name of Dr. Nonglait to be the candidature for the upcoming MP by-election. Those who are in favor, please raise your right hand. Please raise your hand. Let's give a round of applause. From our state president and the entire committee, I would like to now Nonglait as the official candidate of the National People's Party for the upcoming Lok Sabha by-election. Thank you very much.